Hello students, welcome to your Government Commerce College BCom Part 3rd EAFM Paper First Rural Development and Cooperative Chapter Constitution Provision regarding Panchayati Raj 73rd Amendment and Subpoint Characteristic of Panchayati Raj. The Panchayati Raj system introduced in India which with the objective of democratic decentralization has following characteristic. 1. Three-tier system. The Panchayati Raj system introduced in India has three tier. These tier are Gram Panchayat at village level, Panchayat Samiti at block level and Jila Parishad at district level. Number 2. Cooperation. All the three levels have cooperative relation with each other. Number 3. Freedom. The local people have freedom to work and they are supervised from above in the Panchayati Raj system. Number 4. Elected bodies. The Panchayati Raj institutions are elected bodies. The employees of these institutions work under elected public responsibility representative. Number 5. Power to mobility resources. The Panchayati Raj institutions have sufficient power to mobilize resources and organize public cooperation. Number 6. Execution of program. The execution of the programs and plan regarding rural development is done by this level of Panchayati Raj system. Number 7. Decentralization of power and authority. The Panchayati Raj system has been implemented in such a way so that authority and power can be decentralized in future. Number 8. Ideology of Panchayati Raj. The ideology behind Panchayati Raj is that the people of village should shoulder the responsibility of the administration. This is the great ideal which has to be achieved. It is desirable that the people living in villages take active part in development activities related with agriculture, public health, education, irrigation, animal husbandry, etc. Not only that, villagers take part in the execution of program, but they themselves should take decision regarding their requirement and priorities in Panchayati Raj. People formulate plan and policies according to local need through their elected representative. They implement the program keeping in view the actual requirement of the public. The democracy introduced up to roots of the country The lowest layer of the public is associated with administration of the country. Through Panchayati Raj institution, local people not only determination policies but they also guide and control the administration of the execution of these policies. Need and significance of Panchayati Raj. Need and significance of Panchayati Raj. Old Panchayati Raj system in India was constituted by the head of the families living in a village. There was no election of such panchayat was we find in modern time. Modern Panchayati Raj have been against assigned more power, resources and responsibilities. The name is old but the institutions are new. The need and importance of Panchayati Raj can be explained through the following points. Basic of democracy. Number 1. Basis of democracy. The Panchayati Raj provided the basis to establish healthy democratic traditions in the country. Administrative authority is transferred in the hand of the people through Panchayati Raj system. This system created the interest of the public democratic organization. Number 2. Democratic decentralization. Administrative power and function can be decentralized through Panchayati Raj. The administrative power goes in the hand of the workers of the panchayat of the village in reduced the burden of work on central and state government. Number 3. Future leadership. The Panchayati Raj institution prepare the future leadership in the country. These institutions provided preliminary experience and training to member of legislative assembly, MLAs, member of parliament, MPs and minister. These people get themselves required with the problem of rural areas through Panchayati Raj. The Panchayat plays a significant role in development, appropriate leadership in the village and creating interesting among public regarding development work. Number 4. Political awareness. Panchayati Raj educated citizen to use their political right. It helps develop civil merit among people and hence panchayat can be turned as a political laboratory. Number 5. Cooperation between people and administration. The Panchayat Raj system provided a good link between the people and this government. It facility increased in cooperation between people and the administration, which is a must for the rural development and progress. Number 6. Coordination with the administration. The employees and elected representatives of Panchayati Raj institution act as a strong link between local society and the political system. Hence, according is established between the public and the administration. It will improve administrative efficiency in the absence of coordination between administration and the public. It is difficult to carry on the programs and activities of rural development. In conclusion, the importance of Panchayati Raj system lies in the fact the expansion of democracy in the grassroots democratic decentralization and public participation in government work and development activities is only possible through this system.